Alright guys, we've got Gamestop, ticker symbol GME, currently sitting at $21.68. It's down 0.05% over the course of the day, up 0.23% in the after hours. It's about 8 o'clock at night on Thursday afternoon here. Over the past 5 days, it is down 1.45%. Over the past month, it is down 13.59%. Over the past 6 months, it's down 3.77%. Year to date, it is up 7.97%. On a 1-year chart, it's down 30.54%. Over the past 5 years, it's down 60.94%. And on a maximum chart, GameStop, going back to February 15th, 2002, GameStop is up 770.68%. Okay. Look at this. They got a PE ratio of 28.45, a 52-week high of $31.25, a 52-week low of $19.93. They got an EPS of 0.76 cents, or 76 cents. They have a market cap of $9.73 billion. They got 448.69 million shares outstanding and about 12,000 employees. All right. So let's check their earnings. Now, GameStop doesn't do the conference call thing, so they look a little funny here. Yeah, so they missed on revenue in Q4 2026. And I guess they didn't even give guidance on EPS for the last 3 quarters. So they're, they do some pretty silly, cute stuff over there. Revenue missed by 24.91% last quarter. The quarter before that, they missed by 16.84%. Now, Q2 of 2026, they beat revenue by 18.09%, and they beat EPS by 61.29%. Shoo, doggy. They missed again in Q1 2026. I'm not going to sit here and read all this, but they miss pretty consistently. You can see that. Okay, let's keep it moving. Just read their overview. All right. Perspectives from across the web. GameStop declined approximately 14% over the past month. Recent movement is driven by a rejected $56 billion bid for eBay. So yeah, they tried to acquire eBay and eBay turned them down. And a proposal to increase authorized shares to 2.5 billion. Sentiment suggests a volatile quarter as analysts project continued revenue contraction despite improved per share earnings and a significant $9 billion cash reserve. Fascinating. Bullish view. They got a robust cash position and profitability. GameStop maintains a substantial cash pile of approximately $9 billion as of early 2026. Despite a year-over-year revenue decline, the company achieved an inflection point in profitability, reporting net income of $418.4 million for fiscal 2025 and exceeding Q1 2026 EPS expectations of roughly 12%. Strategic pivot to a holding company. CEO Ryan Cohen is aggressively pursuing a transformation into a broader holding company, evidenced by a $56 billion non-binding proposal to acquire eBay. Although initially rejected, the company is seeking shareholder approval to increase authorized shares to 2.5 billion to facilitate potential large-scale transformative acquisitions. Aggressive executive incentive alignment. A landmark compensation plan for Ryan Cohen provides zero base salary for cash bonuses. His incentives consist entirely of stock options that only vest if the market capitalization reaches sustained targets starting at $20 billion, strictly aligning management's interests with significant long-term shareholder value creation. Severe potential shareholder dilution. Is the bearish view now, guys. Bearish view. Severe potential shareholder dilution. The board has requested shareholder approval to increase authorized shares from 1 billion to 2.5 billion. This potential 400% expansion of the share count has triggered significant concerns regarding massive dilution of existing holdings to fund speculative e-commerce acquisitions. Persistent revenue decline in core business. The legacy retail segment continues to face structural headwinds, with Q1 2026 revenue falling approximately 17% year over year to $732.4 million. Analysts highlight that hardware and software sales remain weak as the gaming industry shifts decisively toward digital distribution models. Skepticism over eBay acquisition. Market observers and eBay management have criticized the $56 billion takeover bid as not credible. Analysts express doubt regarding GameStop's ability to finance a deal for a company several times its size, leading to a consensus sell rating and price targets indicating significant downside risk. Alright. Well, I mean, they're positive EPS. That's something. Let's take a look at one of their articles. GameStop's pursuit of eBay draws skepticism over financing and feasibility. 9 hours ago. GameStop shares edge higher to $21.76 as retail investor interest persists in volatile 2026 market. GameStop proposes a $125 share takeover of eBay. This is Stock Titan. GameStop proposes a $125 share takeover of eBay. GameStop has proposed to acquire eBay by delivering a non-binding proposal to buy all outstanding common stock it does not own at $125 per share, payable in a combination of cash and GameStop common stock. The communication discloses GameStop directly owns 25,000 shares of eBay and holds economic exposure to 33,497,000 shares via American-style put-call option pairs, expiring February 23, 2028. The option pairs are cash settlable until the HSR Act condition is satisfied. Thereafter, they may settle in cash or shares. This is getting a little... Yeah, they're talking about the puts and the calls and all that. I don't really care about all that. Let's check out their CEO, Ryan Cohen, and GameStop CEO and activist investor. Ryan Cohen is a Canadian billionaire businessman, activist investor, and the chairman and CEO of GameStop. Born in 1986 in Montreal, Quebec, he dropped out of college to focus on entrepreneurship, inspired by his father, a glassware importer. Career highlights. Chewy. He worked at Chewy from 2011 to 2018, founded the online pet supply retailer. He founded Chewy, evidently, which grew to $3.5 billion in revenue before being acquired by PetSmart for $3.35 billion in 2017. Joined the board of GameStop in January 2021, quickly gaining attention after Reddit traders drove up GameStop's stock during the meme stock frenzy. Became CEO in 2023. Activist moves. In 2020, bought a 13% stake in GameStop and pushed for restructuring. Later took a stake in Bed Bath & Beyond, selling it in 2022 for a $70 million profit. Investments. Owns around 70 million shares of Alibaba and has been linked to other speculative trades. Alibaba? Y'all remember Alibaba. His current role. Cohen has led a turnaround at GameStop, cutting costs, shifting store focus toward collectibles, and improving profitability. His compensation is tied to aggressive growth targets, a $100 billion market cap, and $10 billion cumulative EBITDA, with no guaranteed pay unless milestones are met. High-profile bid for eBay. In May 2026, Cohen announced an unsolicited $56 billion takeover for eBay, offering $125 per share in cash and stock deal. The proposal, which eBay rejected as neither credible or attractive, has drawn intense investor and market scrutiny. Cohen has raised GameStop's stake in eBay to about 6.6% and is exploring financing options, including issuing stock. Interesting. Public image. Cohen is dubbed the Meme King for his influence on meme stocks like GameStop and Chewy. He is known for bold, high-profile moves and has been both admired and criticized for his activist style. In summary, Ryan Cohen is a self-made billionaire with a track record in e-commerce and retail turnaround, now at the center of one of the most unexpected corporate takeover stories of 2026, betting on a massive bid for eBay despite skepticism about financing and odds. Let's look at their website. Let's check out GameStop's website here, guys. See if they got some sweet deals. Look at the cards. Website looks cool. Double Pro Week. Buy two, get one free. It's fun. Double Pro Week. Buy one, get one 50% off. Clothing, fashion, accessories. Oh yeah, we forgot to look at this guy. That's him. That's the CEO. There he is. What do you know? Alright. Let's do this. So, I just want to compare it to eBay here just to see what's up, you know? So, over the past 5 days, GameStop slightly outperformed eBay. Over the past month, eBay's outperformed GameStop, though. eBay's up 11.73%, while GameStop is down 13.59%. Over the past 6 months, eBay's up 35.44%. GameStop's down 3.77%. Over the past, year to date, eBay's up 28.74%, while GameStop is down, no, it's up 7.997%. I mean, you can see it here on the graphic, guys. eBay's in the orange, obviously. You know. Yeah, so on a 1 year chart, eBay's up 54.88%, GameStop's down 30.54%, 54%. 5 year chart, more of the same. eBay's up 84.18%, GameStop's down 60.94%. Interesting. Let's compare it to something more in the same category, I would say, like Roblox. Okay. So GameStop's been around a lot longer than Roblox. Roblox is in the orange here, GameStop's in the blue. Over the past 5 days, they're both down. Past month, they're both down, but GameStop slightly outperformed. Past 6 months, they're both down. GameStop still outperformed. It's only down slightly, down 3.77%, while Roblox is down 50.72% over the past 6 months. Year to date, GameStop's up 7.97% year to date, while Roblox is down 42.21%. On a 1 year chart, they're both down. GameStop's down 30.54%, Roblox down 44.67%. And on a 5 year chart, they're both quite a bit down. GameStop's down 60.94%, and Roblox is down 50.06%. Yeah. Alright. So, So, interesting. Look at that chart right there. No change over the course of the day. Fascinating stuff. To me, GameStop is, it's interesting. What do you think, guys? You think they'll end up acquiring eBay or not? I mean, pretty crazy if they did, wouldn't it? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about GameStop? You think it's gonna do some kind of crazy meme thing like it did before, or think it's over? You think they're going down to zero? Let me know in the comments. It's your cousin Dustin. Like and subscribe. Thanks.